kind of expect that Bitcoin will outperform the S&P forever because the S&P is always going to be loaded down with real-world assets and entropic conditions. The companies are going to be currency derivatives, and they're going to have real-world assets that depreciate, and there are going to be political issues, and there's going to be chaos and war and expropriation and tariff and taxes and all of those things. But in theory, if the majority of the index was made up of, if the S&P 500 was made up of 500 Bitcoin treasury companies, and they were all well-run, and if the politicians didn't expropriate the assets of the companies, then in theory, the S&P is a very interesting index. But I don't think we're getting there anytime in the next 30 years. I think what will happen is Bitcoin companies will creep into the index, and as they creep into the index, they will improve the performance of the S&P, and the S&P will start to creep up, or will be improved, while Bitcoin will grow, mature, and it'll decelerate based upon the fact that it gets integrated into all other aspects of the economy. And